Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video I will talk about Stellar Lumens price prediction and Stellar Lumens news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Stellar Lumens in 2022. Stellar is a distributed open source and community-owned blockchain network. Stellar was founded by lawyer Joyce Kim and Jed McCaleb in 2014. It is used to facilitate transfers between assets. Stellar is committed to facilitating these transfers for a fraction of a penny, while striving to be an open financial system and provide people of all income levels with access to affordable financial services. Stellar's own digital currency is called Lumens XLM. To protect against spam, there is a requirement that each Stellar wallet contains at least a small amount of lumens. With lumens, users can send each other any currency, automatically converting it to any other. Stellar also supports smart contracts, access to the financial system. DeFi decentralized finance is becoming a major part of that system. Willer added that, while decentralized finance isn't new to Stellar as the protocol has a built-in decentralized exchange to it, it's being taken to the next level. Willer added that smart contracts are coming to Stellar with three main considerations: safety, scalability, and equitable access. To the exec, there's nothing off the shelf that fits the bill, but Stellar is looking to launch its smart contracts by the end of 2022. And second news today about Ripple competitor announces plans to roll out smart contracts in 2022. Ripple competitor Stellar XLM is announcing plans to roll out smart contracts later this year. Stellar Development Foundation (SDF) ecosystem head Justin Rice says smart contracts will enable a new suite of products and services on Stellar. There's a lot of work to be done to get there, but at SDF we're committed to researching and shepherding the development to be seen. Whether Stellar Lumens will end up being one of the world's preferred cryptos a requirement, if there's to be any hope for the price stability needed to make a particular digital money a reasonably safe means of storing, conveying, or receiving value. Otherwise, it continues to be little more than a speculative coin toss. The Stellar platform certainly got the right support to become the platform of choice among the world's key players though. Technology giant International Business Machines, better known as IBM, is partnering with Stellar to offer IBM's corporate clients cross-border payment solutions, touting the network's speed and low usage costs. MoneyGram, Liquid Mortgage, and Nabu Bank are also working directly with Stellar to make cross-border deal-making easier and quicker. At the very least, would-be buyers can embrace the fact that no more of this cryptocurrency will be mined, diluting the current float in the process. If a company worried that bagged in 28.08% ROI in the last 5 days. Meanwhile, the super trend continued to flash a buy signal. The immediate testing support now stood at the lower trend line of the up channel. At press time, Phil traded at $21.38. After dropping from the overbought region, the RSI headed to test its trendline support. Any close below 58 level support would be detrimental for the bulls. Also, the squeeze momentum indicator continually flashed gray dots, thus still entailing a high volatility phase. The second news, one Theta trader lost $11 million to liquidations as prices jumped 18%. A trader of futures tracking the Theta network token took one of the largest losses in crypto as the market recovered. The lone trader lost more than $11 million on a single futures trade involving Theta network's Theta tokens as the price jumped 18% in 24 hours. The trade, among the largest for mid-cap cryptos in recent months, occurred on crypto exchange Binance, and formed the largest part of the $11.67 million in liquidations on Theta futures. 2022, this addition could transform XLM's ecosystem and use cases. As Willa clarified, the SDF aims for a feature-complete test network for that period. However, he believes the ecosystem must decide when to roll out smart contract capabilities on Stellar. Willer will host a Twitter space today at 12 o'clock Pacific Time, PT, to provide more details. Willer said, Stellar enables equitable access to the financial system. DeFi is becoming a major part of that system. DeFi isn't new to Stellar. It's been core to the protocol with a built-in DEX from the get-go, before DEX was popularized, and AM functionality became available in 2021. The logical step of that development is to support the introduction smart contracts, Willer said, and take DeFi on Stellar to the next level. These capabilities could aid the network and its ecosystem to fulfill the vision of the SDF by lowering the barrier of entry. In addition, developers working on this network will be able to create products with trust-minimized functionality. More importantly, Stellar will no longer have to implement major protocol changes to deploy a product, dApp, or decentralized service. Willer also claimed the SDF is currently looking at smart contracts programming languages and virtual machines, VMs. These could be developed by the SDF or they could use an existing programming language. Who will benefit the most from smart contracts on Stellar? The nonprofit organization will have three priorities when selecting a programming language, as Weller said: safety, scalability, and equitable access. At the moment, the VP for tech strategy believes there is not one off the shelf that fits the bill. In that sense, he claimed they are currently looking into existing networks and learning a lot to evaluate the components that work. The Stellar ecosystem will apparently have a voice at choosing this key element of its smart contract functionalities. Weller added, for users, DeFi on Stellar means direct access to a global network of on and off ramps. The latest player to join, MoneyGram, will provide crypto cash conversions in 300,000 locations around the world. The crypto space will soon become mainstream. Each project offers unique plans for survival and dominance in the market. We will try to answer these frequently asked questions. Is Stellar XLM a good investment? How much will Stellar cost in 2025? But in reality, guessing price fluctuations and forecasting future prices is a hell of a task. But let's not waste time and proceed to the forecast, and we will start from the current year 2022, but perhaps I will clarify that at the moment the price of Stellar fluctuates around 18 cents United States dollars XLM rate prediction 2022. For a long-term forecast of the Stellar price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a chance that the average price of XLM will rise to around 26 cents by 2022, if the idea attracts more investors. For 2022, the year may end with a maximum price of 29 cents with a minimum price 26 cents level. XLM rate prediction 2023, XLM will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Stellar price will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2023, the Stellar rate will be almost 38 cents. The maximum bet we can get is 45 cents. Stellar average price prediction for the end of 2023 could be around 39 cents. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market. Stellar price prediction 2024, volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. Stellar could cross 65 cents if the market sees a nice bull run in 2024. Given that it is expected to be owned by long-term investors, its average price for 2024 will be around 56 cents. Stellar price prediction 2025, XLM has huge potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Stellar, the price could rise much higher. By 2025, it may reach a maximum value of 94 cents. XLM is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2025 could end with an average price of 81 cents, a minimum price of 79 cents, and a maximum price of 94 cents. Stellar price prediction 2026. It appears that by 2026, Stellar, XLM, prices will reach a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2026, we can expect the average rate to be $1.19. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that Stellar's maximum price could be up to $1.37 in 2026. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. XLM rate prediction 2027. A flawless approach to this currency can be found on many websites and forums. According to this prediction platform, Stellar will remain at its current level for a very long time. By 2027, XLM is expected to have a maximum value of $2. The minimum bet could rise to $1.65 if the market turns bullish. XLM rate prediction 2028. The value of Stellar will rise, thanks to the efforts of the